Hi, my name is Dr. Adiaha Spinks-Franklin, and I'm here to introduce my new clinic, Adoption and Beyond Developmental-Behavioral Pediatrics Clinic. I am a board-certified developmental behavioral pediatrician. We call ourselves for short DBPs. We are the medical doctors who specialize in evaluating and taking care of children, teenagers, and young adults who have developmental delays, developmental disabilities, or behavioral concerns. Now, how in the world did I become a developmental behavioral pediatrician? Well, I went to school for a very long time. After I graduated from high school, I spent 5 years in college earning my bachelor's degree with a pre-medical focus. Then I went to medical school for 4 years where I graduated with honors. Hey! After I graduated from medical school, I earned my medical degree, my MD. And from there, I did something called a pediatric residency. That lasts for 3 years. And in those 3 years, I worked hard night and day at a children's hospital to learn how to take care of all kinds of medical problems in children. After I completed my 3-year residency, I then did what's called a fellowship, additional training for 3 years to learn how to take care of children with developmental disabilities and behavioral health concerns. And that was where I became a developmental behavioral pediatrician. Now, let's talk about what conditions I see in my clinic. Well, I see kids with all kinds of developmental delays, developmental disabilities, and behavioral health concerns. For example, one of my areas of expertise is attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, or ADHD. I know how to evaluate and diagnose kids who have ADHD and treat them with the appropriate interventions. I also take care of kids who have learning problems in reading, math, or writing. I take care of kids with developmental delays like speech delays, delays in learning how to walk, learning how to make friends. I also take care of children who have autism, kids who have fetal alcohol spectrum disorders, kids with different kinds of genetic disorders like Down syndrome, Smith-Magenis syndrome, Fragile X syndrome, and other genetic disorders. And I take care of kids who've experienced and survived trauma, including complex trauma, whether those children are adopted or they haven't been adopted at all. So I can take care of a whole variety of children who have all kinds of concerns for their development or their concerns for their behaviors. Now, how in the world do you get a hold of me? Well, I have a website, adoptionandbeyond.co. So you can go to my website and learn about the services that I provide. You can also send an email at info@adoptionandbeyond.co. There you can email me and ask questions about the possible services that I may be able to help you with regarding your child. I offer services including parent coaching for behavioral health concerns. I conduct developmental and behavioral evaluations of children that have developmental delays, disabilities, or behavioral health concerns. I can even review your school testing, your child's school testing with you, and explain special education testing and services through their individualized education program. And I offer anxious kid coaching for children who have a lot of anxiety and they need to develop evidence-based tools for managing their own anxiety as a part of their overall healthcare team. So thank you for taking this time to learn more about my clinic, Adoption and Beyond Developmental and Behavioral Health Clinic. Have a wonderful day.